APAC Equity Daily Wrap, September 2, 2024. Asian markets traded mixed, weighed down by Chinese equities. While Japan, South Korea, and India fluctuated, they remained in positive territory. In contrast, Hong Kong and Chinese indexes fell nearly 2% following poor PMI data, property sales, and company earnings reported over the weekend. As U.S. is closed for Labor Day, global investors' attention turned to China today. The weak set of Chinese macro figures that were initially expected to spark investors' hopes for policy stimulus have instead heightened market concerns about China and its potential impact on the global economy, particularly due to lack of policy response. After last week's rapid appreciation, the Chinese yuan weakened again, exceeding 7.10 level. Global trade will fully resume on Tuesday with two critical U.S. data releases, PMI on Tuesday and Nonfarm payroll on Friday. According to Bloomberg consensus, August's data is expected to improve, aligning with the narrative of a soft landing. If the data meets or exceeds expectations, the likelihood of a 50 basis point rate cut in September will diminish. In trading, strong data can be positive for risky assets, and may boost both stocks and dollar. However, if the data misses, even if a 50 basis point rate cut becomes certain, market may view it as a major negative. From the perspective of Fed policymakers, they may be hesitant to rely too heavily on weekly initial jobless claims, especially after the total number of non-farm payrolls was revised down by 818,000 over the 12 months from April 2023 to March 2024. On Friday, New York Fed President Williams is scheduled to speak 15 minutes after the payroll report is released, with Fed Governor Waller also set to speak shortly afterward. These will be the last public comments from Fed officials before entering the blackout period, which begins 1 week before the FOMC meeting. It's highly likely that Fed officials will hint at their next course of action during their Friday speeches.